Another fine vehicle offered by Jim Keim Ford.
This is a brand new 2013 Ford Fusion. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. Its top features include a turbocharger, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Jim Keim Ford is located at 5575 Keim Circle in Columbus. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.